Goldfinch 2024 price predictions and beyond. In this video, we're going to cover where Goldfinch is at now, where it could head to, and where could it extend to in this Bitcoin bull run crypto market melt up that we're experiencing across the board that we saw happen and start at the tail end of 2023. But now that we're in 2024, it is about to accelerate. So if you're new here, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a like and a comment of which coin you want me to cover next, and I will do it. I promise you I will do it if you leave that comment of a specific coin you want me to cover. And if you haven't already seen our previous 2024 price prediction videos for dozens of coins, you know, we have XLM, XRP, and a bunch more. We got dozens more coming in the month of January. So definitely link in the bio, go watch those and join the Discord, link in the bio, come join it. We have a Moonshot Targets Discord channel with all the videos in there as well too. So share this with every Goldfinch holder you know, because this is going to be insane. It's a beautiful chart that we're about to look at, and Goldfinch could be setting up for a monster move here in January. And before I go any further, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just showing you where Goldfinch could head to based off of our custom indicators, our custom software, and what that may be telling us for what's in store for Goldfinch. All right, so let's dive into it. Straight out of the gate, right on our screen, I'm going to explain what all these colors are. So on the right side, we have this Fibonacci forecaster. It's a Stargate Fib forecaster. We have a red micro fib, a yellow medium fib, and then a green macro fib. Then we have our Stargate snakes. We got the green belly of the beast here. Usually the best times to buy bear market bottoms when we're in the belly of the beast. But as you can see, Goldfinch went below the belly of the beast and it was acting as resistance until most recently. But we'll get to that further on the analysis. But the hot zone, this red zone up here, is usually the best times to sell at bull market tops if we go into the hot zone or extend past it. Then we have the Stargate signals here. The vertical green line is your prepare to buy soon. The vertical blue is your buy now signal. The vertical red is your prepare to sell soon. And the vertical yellow, which hasn't flashed yet, is your sell now signal. All right, now that we got that covered, let's dive into it, because right now, I'm sure you guys are seeing what's happening. If you've been watching these 2024 price prediction videos, you know exactly what I'm about to say. Well, currently, Goldfinch is at $1.42. $1.42 right here. What we're seeing here is that all of 2022 into 2023, we saw Goldfinch come out the gate at like $44 when it was released, but immediately fell, of course, down to like $8, and then it just kept going down. I mean, this was the bear market, like the start of it, February 2022. We got into that belly of the beast. We're holding it as support until we broke below it in May of 2022, when that was really our capitulatory moment with the Luna debacle crashing us down the black swan. And since that time, May of 2022, we've tried to get back into the belly of the beast, and we just kept getting rejected for over a year straight. And then back in May of 2023, we had a prepare to buy soon signal at around 41 cents. Then in July, we had a little kick up. We got our vertical blue buy now signal at around like 38 cents. And we kind of just went sideways. We went sideways until October happened. And then really November happened. We had a green beanstalk up to the bottom of the belly of the beast. And if it was like previous times, we would have gotten rejected. But we're saying back in September, October, that we're heading into a different market environment, one that we're going to see an imminent to max 100 days bull market kick in for crypto. We were saying that back in late September, early October, and 100 days later, now you're seeing what I was seeing back then. But if it was like the previous times, we would have gotten rejected, but we're in a different environment. So we just fired up through that belly of the beast, one candle, two candle, and we poked our head through. And we had that sell warning come in, which is okay because a sell warning can flash and it could be weeks, months until we get that sell now signal. That just means we're heating up, and boy, did we. And what did we do? We got above the belly of the beast. And we came down, and this is a weekly chart, came down, held as support for over a month now. And now we're getting this nice green candle coming in on Goldfinch. So we could be on the precipice of a massive move coming out of Goldfinch, one that could take us up in the short term, a double, but we could be heading to our price discovery. And what are those targets? Where could we head to for Goldfinch? Well, first off, straight out of the gate, our concrete solid support floor where we must maintain above and not break below. It's the top of the belly of the beast. So at $1.20, $1.22, we must maintain candle body closes on the weekly chart above that level. If we were to break below that level for any reason, then I could see Goldfinch coming back down to around like 75 cents. A lot of kind of previous price action there, and it could even fall down to right at the bottom of the belly of the beast around 60 cents. But quite frankly, I don't see that happening. I see the exact opposite happening. What we're seeing right now is we have our concrete support floor. If Goldfinch can come up here and break above, so from this high down to this low, $1.69. If we can see Goldfinch come up, break above $1.69, we're heading right to $2.12, $2.16 right there at that purple moving average there. And if you look to the left, that was our level we fell down to in February 2022, try to hold that support. And then when we broke through that level, came up, got rejected, and then I rejected again, we haven't reclaimed that level in a long time. So getting back above that level is going to be very, very solid for Goldfinch. And then if we can get above that level and we have a lot of momentum and juice, I think we immediately go right up to around $3.40, because that's our macro fib 786. As well as we have the orange moving average coinciding with that as well too. And the 4236 extension of this breakout from back here around 48 cents is right along that level as well too, around $2.92 to $3.40. And that is our concrete ceiling. That is the level we must break above for Goldfinch to go on a rocket ship to price discovery. So I'm going to mark that off right there. So then if Goldfinch can break above there, come back down, hold that support, looking to the left, that's a key area as well too of when we broke down through February, and getting above there, there's like no previous like price action of resistance to hold us down. I think it would be a straight smooth cut right up to our next level, which is going to be the bottom of the hot zone around $6 to back here around $6.70. And then if we have enough force, we could head right to the top of our hot zone, which is around $11.70. And keep in mind, as price moves up, the snakes will move up. So like if we come up here with the price action, we press up like that, these snakes are going to start to move up like this, like that. And then we could see a higher price target for that hot zone. And keep in mind, Goldfinch extended below the belly of the beast. So it's very likely that Goldfinch could extend over the hot zone. So if we extended over the hot zone, what's our first level for a mega moonshot? That's the 1618 extension at around $46. $46. And if I were to take this high down to this low right here, yeah, that's in line with the $7 next level if we break through that $1.69 level as well too. So let's recap. The concrete support floor for Goldfinch is $1.22. We must maintain above that level. If we come up and smash through $1.69, we could quickly move up to around $2.12. And with enough momentum, we could come up here to our concrete ceiling around $2.90 to $3.40. Breaking through that level will be rocket fuel for Goldfinch. It can send us right up to a double around $6.60. If we have enough juice, we could see a $12, another double out of Goldfinch right to the top of our hot zone. And then in a mega moonshot, maybe in 2024, maybe down the line, we could see a $46 Goldfinch. And from current prices right now, that's about a 33 times your money. But if you had bought in, if you had the custom software and the signals, you could have bought in here around 36 cents. And that would have been around 128 times your money from back there in July to, hey, maybe say July of this year, 2024. That would be 120 times your money in a year, which is absolute ridiculous. So let's run through our mini moon, our medium moon, and our mega moon. I would say our mega moon is coming up to that $46 level. And then also too, looking to the left, that's where we initially opened up out of the gate for Goldfinch around like $42. And then we came down. So that's definitely, in my opinion, a reasonable price target. But if you don't think so, let me know in the comments. Then our medium moon level would be around like in the hot zone. I would say around $6 to $12. And then I would say our mini moon is getting to this $3 to $3.40 level. So the mini moon isn't too far away. I mean, when we called out in the Stargate Discord to the premium members, we called it out right back here when we saw that breakout around like 48 cents. It was right here in November. But even earlier, you could have bought a little lower. So like from where the Stargate VIPs bought in around like 40 something cents, that would have been like a 7x, to get to that mini moon. But from current levels, that's only about 130%, 150%, double and a half, right? To our medium moon from current levels, that's around a 5x to a 8x your money, 5x to 8x. And to a mega moon, that's about 33 times your money. So I'm liking that as far as Goldfinch goes. If we look at these bottom indicators here, it looks like we're about to see a cross up in the momentum. We could see some fireworks with Goldfinch here pretty soon. I mean, we retested this belly of the beast multiple times. We broke out of this trend line and we could be ready to send it up for Goldfinch for the month of January. But you let me know in the comments. You let me know what you think. Have you heard of Goldfinch? Goldfinch covers real world assets. The reason why I think it's likely that we could see that mega moon target of $46 is, look at this market cap. It's only at 41 million market cap. It's a small cap and you can get it on Coinbase. So it's accessible, right? It's accessible to the mainstream. And 41 million market cap, I mean, going up 30x, puts it at like a little bit over $1 billion market cap. If we're going to see the total crypto market cap skyrocket to 7 to 10 trillion, I mean, what's $1 billion in Goldfinch, especially when it's covering real world assets, which is a narrative that is shaping up for 2024 and earning real yields on your money from real companies, right? So, you know what I'm saying? This could be an undercover gem. And if you haven't heard of Goldfinch, that's my gift to you. So you let me know in the comments. Have you heard of it? Have you not? Are you going to get some? Personally, I own a little bit of it, but I'm thinking after this video, I noticed this earlier on today that I want to scoop up a bit more because I'm looking for that 33x for sure. You let me know in the comments, share this with everybody you know, and join the Discord. Link is in the bio. Come say what up. It's Rob at Stargate. Let me know how you're liking these 2024 price prediction videos. I'd love to hear from you guys, as well as I'll link the playlist to all the other 2024 price prediction videos. We've done dozens. We got dozens more coming. So that's why you want to leave a comment with a specific coin you want me to cover, and I promise you I'll cover it. As well, Stargate-Ventures.com. Claim 70% off, and you can get access to everything you're seeing on your screen, our custom indicators, our custom software, our screeners. You get access to our premium Discord where we're calling out gems in there of coins that have already gone up 7, 10x, right? So come join the Discord. Go to Stargate-Ventures.com for that 70% off discount at the end of January. We're ending it, and go watch those other price prediction videos and come say what up. So I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll see you in premium, and I'll see you in the next video.